guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today we're going to be getting ready together and I have some new products to try out and to do something really cute, hopefully. And I also have a foundation that I haven't worn in such a long time that I'm so excited to take out and to wear again. So I have some old favorites, some new things to try out. It's going to be really fun. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get ready together. If you're new, hi, welcome. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you're notified of all my future videos. I upload Wednesday and Friday. I'm so sorry for last week missing videos. My life is so crazy right now that there's just been some absolute horrible things that happened and some just stressful things, and I missed all last week because I couldn't film or upload, and there was just like a lot going on. So I'm so sorry, but life continues and here I am. Before we start with the makeup, I want to do some skincare because there are some Mix Easy products that I wanted to share with you guys and that wanted to try. If you guys don't know what Mix Easy is, they are a skincare company where you can go create your own products. Now, I've mentioned this before in the past in like a ton of videos because I've tried them, and I've tried a moisturizer, a cleanser, a shampoo, a conditioner, and a face brush. Not to mention the brush has like the multiple heads on it, so I could do like a manicure, a pedicure, I could scrub my body with it. So I've tried a lot of Mix Easy products, but I've never done like a face scrub or an eye cream. So I mixed up my own formula. You just go onto the website, it's super easy, and you go through and they basically tell you what each ingredient does for you. So like anti-aging, hydrating, all of that kind of stuff. And I filled all of mine out for a face scrub and an eye cream, and then they basically put it together. You can add a scent to it. You can add a name to it if you want your formula to have a name. So it's really cool because it's affordable, but you can create your own things. So if you feel like you just want a particular thing, I totally feel you. I want my face to be hydrated, to help with anti-aging, to be plumpy and bright, to help with discoloration and hyperpigmentation because I have the olive complexion. So this is awesome because you can do whatever you want and create what you want. So I'm really excited. I made these two, the face scrub and the eye cream, and I can't wait to try out my own concoctions here. So now I do have a coupon code for you guys down below, not sponsored, but I do have a coupon code for you guys down below if you want to try Mix Easy. They're a legit company. I really love them and I've tried them for years. So yeah, let's go try these babies out. I am so excited, and you guys can put whatever fragrance you want in here. I'm pretty sure I put in a fragrance. I don't even remember it anymore. I really do find that their products are always really good quality, and I loved the moisturizer, the cleansers that I created. It's a really cool concept. Make your own skincare formulated the way you want it. I love it. Ooh, it's not too abrasive. It's nice. But this is what I was talking about last time. So I have different brushes for this Mix Easy brush, and I still love it, you guys. I love it as much as I did whenever I told you guys about it. But yeah, that feels really nice. So I'm just gonna put on some hydrating boost drops from e.l.f. that I've been loving. Yeah, feels good. I made a good choice when creating that scrub. A blue shield serum from Derma E. I just picked up some new stuff from Derma E, like a new moisturizer, an overnight peel. I'm excited to try that next. Okay, and then the eye cream. Oh, I'm so excited. Turn this baby travel friendly here. I am very picky about my eye cream, so I hope I did like a good formula. I wanted something to help with wrinkles, anti-aging, to hydrate because my under eyes, wow, this is super smooth under there. I think I did a fragrance for this one. Ooh, I like it. Ooh, yeah, I like it. It's thin, but it's hydrating under there. And let's get ready. Okay, now my skin's all prepped and ready, and we can start. I got some more eyebrow pencils. These are the Essence Micro Precise. These are the ones I wanted to share with you guys, so I had to go back and get, like, I had lost it. I don't know. I'm starting with my eyebrows. Let's just start getting ready. Shall we? Starting with my eyebrows, and holy moly, is this, oops. I love this eyebrow pencil. I think this is my favorite eyebrow pencil of all time. I will link everything down below. But this Essence one is so good. I mean, it is absolutely amazing. Okay, so now we're gonna start with the face. I am going to put on some primer. I think I want to do something kind of dramatic, and I know I'm in a t-shirt and I'm not going anywhere, but I want to try that this e.l.f. like glitter. This is like a brown color, and I really like a brown shimmery, just beautiful glitter. And I want to try that. So today for eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I love this palette so much, and I haven't used it in such a long time. So I'm going to start out with Riff right here, and I'll just point and get this going. So we're not here for a million years. Guys, I want to let you know, if you didn't know already, I have a TikTok, and I kind of do some stuff on there. I have two TikToks. I have my Bondbeautyful TikTok and my Bondbeautyful Jungles TikTok, and I feel like I enjoy the Bondbeauty's Jungle TikTok better. If you didn't know, Bondbeauty's Jungle is my pet channel. Basically just like my vlog with my animals / kids and like my journey with that. I'll link it up in an iCard. But anyways, you should go watch that TikTok because I think it's pretty funny. The TikTok that I do with like my animals, I think it's kind of funny. And I do have a regular TikTok too, Bondbeautyful. I'll put the TikToks down below. Go follow me. Go follow me and say what's up. Okay, I'm gonna put on Still Shot to give me a little bit of some peachiness here. Okay, I'm gonna go into Baja right here, and I'm gonna really start packing it on this outside corner. And into the crease, of course. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of Good Is Gone right there. Now I'm gonna put Smog all over the lid. Like a dark chocolate color. Yeah, so this is Stranded. I'm adding that in the inner corner, in the middle here, just to brighten it a little more. I don't know if the glitter is going to completely like cover that up, but we shall find out. We shall discover right now. Right underneath the brow though, I'm going to put Breakaway. I honestly, I think that glitter looks a little chunky, so I don't know if... I definitely wanted to make sure I had eyeshadow underneath before I apply it here. So I have my e.l.f. glitter glue. It's glitter primer, but it's glitter glue basically. That's what it is. So here we go. This is the e.l.f. Bronze Comet Glitter. Let's see. Look at how beautiful this looks. So I put some in the cap here. Apply it on the eyes. Put some glitter glue first. I don't know how I feel about that. It literally looks like dried mud on my eyelid. I don't know, maybe with lashes it will look cool, but as of right now, it does not look cool. So I'm gonna put on the Cocoa Lashes in Dashin. Okay, I know it's gonna make this look 10 times better if I use some wing liner. So I'm gonna use the NYX Super Skinny Eye Marker, and I'm gonna see how well this eyeliner works. All right, put your guys' TikToks down below in the comments if you have one, so I can go watch your TikTok. Yeah, this liner is awful. I got two new primers, the Glowy Makeup Serum from Laneige and also the Ciat London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer, which I've been trying this with powder foundation and I think it is absolutely amazing with powder foundation. But today we're using a stick foundation and I'm really excited about it. So I'm going to try this Laneige Glowy Makeup Serum. We'll see what happens here. Oh, I love serum hydrating primers. Whoa, I think I used way too much. Oh, feels so good to put that on, and it leaves my skin so glowy. Look at that glow. All right. We're going to use the Revolution Stick. What is this called? What is this called? I completely forgot. Okay, we're going to use the Revolution Fast-Based Stick Foundation because it's been such a while since I've used it. I'm also going to put on this e.l.f. eye primer, like under eye primer first. Let's see what happens. So I have F13 for like the contour area and F8 for all over. So I'm just gonna paint this on, and I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Camel Concealer that I know it's supposed to be the e.l.f. Camel Concealer Sponge. I know it's supposed to be for a concealer, but I heard it's really good. So I'm using it for my whole face. So that's it. We're done getting ready. I'm ready to do absolutely nothing. What do you guys think about this whole look? I love how like glam and out there it is as I'm wearing a Jurassic Park t-shirt. I mean, it's just like perfect. Insta story me. Send me an Insta story. Send me a picture on Instagram how your makeup looks today. Like, what do you look like today as you're getting ready, as you're watching my video? Like, snap a picture of yourself, send it to me on Instagram. I would love to see. Don't forget to subscribe. I upload Wednesdays and Fridays, so make sure you come back on those days. I will be having powder foundation week coming up. I'll put the dates here. I had to push the dates back because I have to go to Arizona for some family stuff that happened. So I had to push the dates back because I wouldn't be able to film those videos until a later time. But powder foundation week is happening, so make sure that you come back. It's 7 full days right after each other of nothing but foundation review. So it's really exciting. But anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.